Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Do you know that I was actually weighing at 1 kg due to the quarantine? Thank God for Chloe Ting. I actually got hold of her on YouTube and decided to take part in that challenge, the 2 weeks abs challenge. I just finished mine this morning and the result is shocking. Have you watched my smoothie video to know the smoothie I drink while during the exercise? If you haven't, why not go and watch the way to prepare the smoothie first before you come back and continue and see how I did my 14 days exercise and got my abs. After I watched that challenge, I climbed my scale and saw myself at 80. Oh my god, I was determined to take part in this challenge and to take it very serious. Finished my day 5. I had a very low battery, so I couldn't make video. So tomorrow it's gonna be my day 6. See, just finished and I'm sweating. I need to go take a shower and wait for tomorrow. My body is aching, my whole body, my stomach, my arms, my legs. I don't know how I'm trying to keep up, but the struggle is real. Day by day, it became more fun that I even started doing it morning and night. So I decided to climb my scale to be sure that I'm not just whiling or wasting my time. Did you see that? 78. Between 77 and 78. 78. 4 kg. I lost 4 kg within 2 weeks. Just make it fun for yourself and you're going to achieve it. Don't make it look so hard and tough. Make it look like a game, like a challenge, like a game, and you're going to achieve it. I achieved mine and I'm not going to stop. So going back to that shape. Oh my god. So my darling, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please support your girl. Make sure you always come back to Nigeria Beauty Talk channel. See you in my next video. Bye.